Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the Shop Monkey effectively. So as you can see right here, I'm already on the website. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Shop Monkey. That's right. And then you'd be able to see this first website. So all you have to do is to tap on this one. Okay, and then after that, at the top we cannot really find an option where we can sign up for an account, because you have to talk to sales first or talk to support. And then once they have your info, and then they're going to give you the demo for this tool, and then once all set, then you can actually use this tool. But even though I cannot really show you the tool right here, but since they have this demo area where we can just easily tap on the next option, so we can still have an overview to the actual tool. Okay, so yeah, let's just going to tap on the play demo. Okay, so this is the Shop Monkey overview, the Shop Monkey payments, the Shop Monkey CRM essentials, the multi-shop operators, and the for heavy duty. So let's start with the Shop Monkey overview. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so as you can see right here, this one. Okay, so let me just close this section. So here, the columns and the cards can be customized to match your shop's workflow. So you just have to tap on that one. Next is you can show as much or as little information as you need on your workflow. So you have these options right here. So you just have to, turn on. Next is here, designed to help you sort through your workflow and find orders in seconds. So that's the purpose of the filters. Okay, next, find everything you need in one place. So you can use the search bar or the search icon at the top if you're looking for something. Okay, so team members can type in simple keywords to generate powerful results using the global search. Okay, next one here is you can create canned services, look up labor times, reference diagrams, and procedures. So right here, create canned services to ensure your team is always sending accurate estimates and cut down the on the time it takes on board new team members. So you have that right here, and then you can give your team the tools they need to make sure they order the right parts and quantities for the vehicles they're servicing. Okay, so you have that right here as well. Next one, you can keep track of every change made on estimates, repair orders, and invoices. Okay, next, here you can easily create and implement inspection standards with your team. So DVIs help keep customers informed and lead to more approved upsells. Okay, next one is your team spending too much time reminding customers about upcoming appointments. So automate this process with on-click and get back hours of productivity every month. Next one, all plans come with a dedicated phone number so that you can keep the customer's communication in the same place. Okay, so you have that one right here. Next one is you can now schedule a demo for this one. So again, let's go back here, and then let's proceed to the Shop Monkey payments. Okay, so we are going to discuss as much as possible for this video. So here, you can give your customers the digital checkout experience that they expect. So we're just going to tap on the pay option right here. And then next, you can give your customers more ways to pay with flexible payments options that fit every budget and boost your shop's revenue. So they have the bank cards, bank transfers, or the pay over time. Next is the ACH payments. So you can get paid faster with lower fees. ACH payments streamline cash flow directly to your shop. And you can offer your customers buy now, pay later. to help them afford repairs today while you get paid upfront. Okay, so here you're gonna the automatic surcharging. So offset credit card processing fees was with the surcharging, keep more of your revenue on every transactions. Okay, so you just have to set up this one, and then you can stay on top of your cash flow with detailed payments reports and get full visibility into every transactions. Okay, so you have the payment reports right here, all the payments, payment types, the payments with the customers, the instructions, and the payouts. Next one is you can track every transaction in one place. So the all payments report gives you a complete view of your payments activity. So you have here the details, the first name, the last name, the company, and etc. So for the next one, okay, we are done with the payments. Now let's proceed to the Shopmonkey CRM Essentials. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so you can boost the customer loyalty and drive more business with the built-in CRM tools, manage reviews, send campaigns, and book appointments all in one place. So you can take control of your shop's reputation, easily manage and respond to reviews right from Shopmonkey, and drive higher Google visibility by responding to more reviews. Shopmonkey CRM makes it easy with AI tools and manual reply options. And make every review request personal, so customize your request to connect with customers and boost response rates. And here, automated and one-time campaigns designed to keep your shop connected with the customers without the hassle of third-party tools. So you have the campaigns right here, and yeah, you can turn not now into let's get it done. Automated campaigns make it easy to follow up on routine and decline services. Next one is you can use the powerful audience builder to target the right customers and vehicles with one-time campaigns. And then you can also send a link, embed it in your website, make it simple for customers to schedule their next repair. And of course, you can customize your menu so you can control what services customers can book. Appointments book goes straight to your Shopmonkey calendar and your workflow. Next one is to automate your estimate reminders with one click and save hours every week chasing down customers for the approvals. Okay, so again, in order for you to schedule the demo, you just have to contact them or tap on the schedule the demo option, and then all you have to do is to input here details so they can contact you. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.